You are going to love the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.